Well, welcome. My name is Wally, Hauck, Communico. And is it fair to say that leadership is a journey, not a destination? That it's a marathon, not a sprint? Is it also fair to say that all leaders want to improve the organizational performance and that all responsible emerging leaders also want to develop their individual skills? Communico wants to help. What if you could significantly improve the leadership skills in your organization? What outcomes would you enjoy? And we at Communico are committed to helping organizations create exceptional service cultures. It's our belief that leadership skills play a significant role in accomplishing this mission. And our research recently shows that it may be getting even more challenging because many of our employees are now having these characteristics. They have a more formal education and they are wicked smart. They desire even more frequent communication and feedback. They're tech savvy. They're eager to acquire new skills and they want them right now. They're curious, they're confident, they're impatient and team oriented. They tend to seek new challenges and they're not afraid to question your authority. Your authority. They want to constantly be inspired. They put a value on work-life balance, and they even trade higher pay for more flexibility, motivation, and an engaging environment. During what some are calling today the great resignation, how can you create an environment that delivers all of this and keeps those employees loyal, especially those high potentials? And what if everyone had the leadership skills to assist all the leaders to contribute to this environment? We want to help you. I'm going to turn it over to my partner, Gregg Barrett, and we'll now share some of the leadership details. Right?
Thanks, Wall. I couldn't agree more on what's going on right now with the need for the leadership skills. And at Communico, I think one of the things that really differentiates our leadership programs, which I'll talk about in just one second, is three aspects. In all our leadership programs, whether it's from being a peer to then being a leader, or being a manager to a director, or a high potential going to a more senior job, we've got three key areas that we focus on. We focus on the personal mastery of leadership. That's the individuals, the values, creating your own mission and your own brand. Then we talk about systems leadership. How does that involve within the system and the culture of your organization? And the last component, once you master those two, we talk about team mastery. So I think those three areas that weave through all our different programs are absolutely a differentiator for us at Communico and Magic. Within these programs, I think also being unique, Wally, I think is our blended approach. So the days of flipping PowerPoints are long gone. The days of sitting and reading and having things being quiet are gone. So our programs are a blended learning. We have everything from virtual to face-to-face, to case studies, to reading different books, to reading articles, to cohorts, to teams. And we incorporate specific work projects into that. So it becomes very personalized and not generic. I think those things really differentiate the various programs that we have at Communico, all focusing on magic, which you all know, right, Wally, make a great impression on the customer. So we'd love for you to find out some more information about what we do with leadership, how we do it, how it's unique. And as Wally said, how can we benefit your organization and your leaders? For more information, we'd like you to go to info@communico.com, and that's down at the bottom of your screen. Thanks so much, and we look forward to hearing from you.
Thanks so much.